In this lesson, we'll learn CP command. CP means copy. Actually, copying files and directories is one of the common tasks to perform on a regular basis in Linux. Let's type man cp to see options in there, and we'll use some of options now and next lectures in each cases. As you can see in the description, it says cp command copy source to dest means destination or multiple sources to directory. Source means from where do you start to copy files and directories. Destination means to where you'll copy files and directories. Let's get started. If we type cp colors to copy colors directory to downloads, we'll face with error says -r is not specified. Means we should only copy directories with -r option. Type in cp-rv means recursive and verbose. Then going to copy colors to downloads, then ls downloads. As you can see, direction sign means colors directory is copied to downloads. And we can see colors inside of downloads directory. Now, let's copy a file. Type in cp test file 1 downloads, ls downloads. As you can see, without any option, only with cp command, our test file 1 is copied to downloads folder. We can copy folder or file to the same directory as well. Let's type cp-r fruits, then fruits.copy, then ls. As you can see, fruits.copy directory is copied from fruits directory in the same desktop directory. Now type in cp test file 2 with test file dot backup, then ls. As you can see, our test file dot backup file is copied from test file 2. Like I said, cp command is mostly used command, especially if you want to try and test something on your system file or folder. You better copy and keep your backup file or folder with cp command. One another useful option is cp-s, means symbolic link. Let's type cp-s test file 3 with tf3 means test file 3. Here in enter, then ls. As you can see, tf3 file changed the color, means it's symbolic link of test file 3. We can call symbolic link like a shortcut in Windows. If you type something inside of test file 3, it will show up in tf3 symbolic link as we made. One last thing with cp command, if you want to copy multiple files in a time, like rm command, you can specify asterisk to copy all to other directories. Let's test it. Firstly, creating files, type in touch tf4.txt, tf5.txt, and tf6.txt files. Nonetheless, as you can see, our files are created, and then I'm going to copy multiple files with cp asterisk.txt to downloads, hit an enter, then ls downloads. It's done. We didn't have to type one by one to copy all of these files to downloads directory. Like I said, we'll use cp command often in our next lectures. So, hope you enjoyed of this video, and this is end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.